You have a high ceiling space with a cool wooden cladding design reaching all the way to the second level. Hi everyone! Upon entering the pedestrian gate, to your left, you have a tiled patio space. And then to your right, you have a covered area for your main entry. You have your automated door lock here. And now, welcome to your beautiful home. Now, before we begin, let me give you a quick overview on the property size. We have a lot area of 181 square meters and a combined floor area of approximately 450 square meters across 3 levels. We have 4 bedrooms and a carport for 2 vehicles. Now, let's take a look at this entire amenity space. You have a view here of your second floor hallway, and you also have a cool wooden cladding design for this entire wall here. You have ample space here for your living room set. And then you have access through the staircase towards the second level. And then you have a nice area here where you can have a painting and other artworks, and you also have a CCTV system already for the house. And very conveniently, beside your living area, you have your powder room. Now, this powder room is already set up with a bath space as well. Floor-to-ceiling tiling is also included, and you have a window for ventilation. And from your living space, you have your dining area. This is such an impactful piece. This single piece table here, this wooden table for 6 people. It really anchors the room, and you have the sliding door leading out to the patio space that I showed earlier. So very well lit. And from your dining space, you now have your open kitchen area. Your main kitchen is well spaced and well organized. You have this countertop area here, which has 2 levels. So this is a great meal prep area, and this is where you can serve food like a salad or even have some drinks, or even an informal dining space. That's why you have these 3 stools over here. And you have an L-shaped countertop here with a nice complementing design for your splash tile. And you already have a Frank branded range hood. You have an induction cooktop. You have an Elba microwave and a Frank oven. That's built in already. And then on this side, you have your refrigerator space and plenty of storage all around. And if you take a look at the flooring, It's a nice marble design that's also very easy to maintain, easy to clean. It's very elegant, but at the same time, I like that it's not slippery, even with the gloss. Okay? So, very well lit also, and you have an air conditioning unit built in already. Okay? Now, from this space, in terms of functionality, you have access towards the service area here. So, here's a view of the additional service area. You have a heavy sink space, and then you also have an area where you can have an additional gas burner. And of course, a refrigerator space. And on this side, you also have your service quarters or maid's quarters. Currently, we have some materials in there, so we're not gonna take a look at that, but that's space enough for a double bunk bed. Now from here, we have access towards your parking space. So you see it's completely covered. And your access towards this area is through the service area and service entrance. It's also convenient because if you're bringing in groceries, you can go straight to the kitchen area for meal prep. Okay. And now we're back here at the main kitchen. You have blackout curtains already. Here's another view. Now it's time to head on up towards the second level. Let's go. Nice finish for the natural wood for the stairs, and check out the tempered glass for the barrier. Look how thick this is and how sturdy it is with the stainless steel railings. Now we're here at the second level. The first thing that you notice is there's a nice nook here. The space is maximized. They already have furniture. An additional amenity space. You could potentially repurpose this and have a table and make this a home office space. It's up to you. And they have that wall cladding, which is consistent with what you have in the ground level. So check this out. Here's another view. And now it's time to take a look at your primary bedroom. So you see how spacious it is. You already have this built-in headboard here, and then more of a gray wooden cladding design here. You also have a sliding door here leading to a balcony space. So this is a great additional amenity for your master bedroom. You have a view of the street. So this is a great space in terms of accessibility because this is a main road here in the village. And you have fast access to commercial areas. Like for example, there's even a nearby convenience store here already. Okay? And before we proceed, I want to point out that I like the windows because they're made of sturdy PVC material. And it's time to take a look at your walk-in closet space. And this is quite spacious. Lots of storage all around. You also have a full-length mirror here on the other side. Let's take a look at your bath area. Cool lighted mirror, and I love how the light accentuates the design of the tile. And then you have your tempered glass shower enclosure with the Panasonic water heater for the shower, and then your recessed area for toiletries. Floor to ceiling tiles also, very well laid out. Okay. So a big portion of the second level was allotted for the primary bedroom. And from here, let's take a look at the second bedroom. Currently, it's set up with 2 beds here. Excellent for growing kids. You also have ample storage on this side and even a dresser area at the corner. And then here, you have a bath space. I'm gonna walk in so you see the size. Well spaced also. Plenty of countertop space here. And then let's take a look at the third bedroom. So this has quite a sizable bed, but you see it still fits. It's up to you if you want to replace this with a smaller bed to maximize the other areas of the room. You also have a storage space in terms of cabinetry, and then on this side you have your bath area. And on top of the service area that we took a look at earlier, this door leads to a second level additional service area. So you have a sink space here, and this is where you have your washing machine. So this is a private area where you can hang clothes. We've now taken a look at 3 bedrooms. It's now time to take a look at the third floor, where I have a great surprise for you. Let's go. Okay, so now on top of the living space and then the amenity area at the second floor hallway, you have a third amenity space. A nice movie room area. And you once again have a balcony space. Let's take a quick look. This is a refreshing spot to give plenty of ventilation to your amenity space. Here's another view. I like how the light fixture aligns with the eye level here. Very pleasing and very relaxing. Here we have the fourth bedroom, but as of now it's locked because there are some materials being stored inside. But in terms of the size, they're very similar to the second and third rooms. So you have 4 rooms in the house, but here's the real treat for you. So you have a quick bathroom area here. This is excellent, especially if you have friends, family over. You're using the third level area as an entertainment space. So this can be like a powder room here at the third level. But this is also going to be maximized because of this room. Welcome to your entertainment space. I thought it was just this room, and then as you pull out, you see how spacious the entire area is. So this is like double the living space of what you have downstairs for the living room. You have an entire dining room set here. Great for reunions, gatherings. And you have a kitchenette set up already on this side and additional storage. So this can be also maximized as a home gym space, a home office area, or if you need more than 4 rooms, you can even repurpose this entire space into 1 to 2 more rooms. So you can convert this from a 4-bedroom home to a 5 to 6-bedroom home because of the size of the area. And I love how well lit it is because of the windows here. And this is just a great additional space for the house. On top of all of that, you have a storage room over here just to maximize the space. You can also use it as a linen closet. So here's another view. So let us know which part of this house was your favorite in the comments below. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this quality built 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Pasig, Metro Manila, you can contact us through our information in the description below. In addition, you can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.